What is the biggest challenge you find with 3D printing?
Well, definitely speed. The faster the machine goes, the more I can build.
The waste problem. Most multicolor printers on the market are wasting huge amounts of filament.
Materials is the biggest thing. So to be able to create more comfortable and stylish designs, I want a tool that can handle more complex materials at once.
Finally, all these problems have been solved. Introducing the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D Printer. A 3D printer that's faster to print, lighter on waste, and costs less to run. Our 4-tool head design skips wasteful filament purging, meaning you can do more with less. That is Snapmaker.
Because of the shape of this robot, I knew right away that it will not be easy to post-process and very time-consuming. But now that I have this machine, I can pull it off very easily.
With SnapSwap, 4 tool heads running different filaments are always on standby, with a new color or material ready to go in under 5 seconds. The result? Faster and more efficient multicolor prints.
U1 can also use special support materials that are super useful for complicated parts. And they are very easy to take off. So satisfying. The machine can support different materials, not just PLA and PETG, but also water-soluble supports like PVA, which make post-processing a lot easier.
This is perfectly good filament, and it's just wasted. I'm a marketing manager at Snapmaker, but also a dad. So, of course, we 3D print at home. But look at all this printer
Quality.
with the app and the smart features, it really is a plug-and-play device. The whole family loves it.
With my designs, I'm trying to push the boundaries in fashion to innovate. But you can only go as far as your tool allows. Not a lot of 3D printers can handle TPU, let alone multicolor TPU. And the ability to do multi-material has really expanded what I can create. I think this bag is a great example because it goes beyond using 4 colors. Not only am I using them for style, I was also able to directly integrate a different material for the zipper. I would not have been able to do this before. And you'd be surprised how reliable a 3D printer with 4 tool heads actually is.
Our automatic calibration system calibrates XYZ offsets between multiple tool heads, ensuring seamless, repeatable accuracy every time you swap.
As a fashion designer, of course I also love shoes. And 3D printing is a great tool for personalization in general, but for footwear in particular. I'm just dabbling in shoe design myself, but I can see the opportunity. You can 3D print the outsole, the midsole, and the upper with different materials in one go. So I'm so excited to see what shoe designers are going to do with this machine. The Snapmaker U1 opens up this opportunity to explore new garment designs. And I can't wait to see what others will do with this tool in terms of footwear.
My whole family can create memories together. With U1, we can do all of this in a much more sustainable way.
Snapmaker U1, makers, cosplayers, and anyone with an idea can bring it to life faster and share it with your friends around the world.
Setup was easy, speed is unbelievable. It can print high quality multicolor models while using less equipment and save lots of time.
Multi-filament printer with no waste, no time lost.
My favorite feature is definitely the print speed that the U1 gave.
To help print fully assembled, even in multiple materials.
The Snapmaker U1 makes calibrating tool offsets so easy.
Something that you want to change the game.
Everyone over Snapmaker got this.
No matter where you are in the world, we invite you to join us on this colorful journey. Get your Snapmaker U1. Back us today.
A little early there. Hello! Hello and welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Snapmaker, the home of the Snapmaker. I'm Blaine, and this
is Cynthia. Nice to meet you, everyone.
Hey,
so,
awesome.
For those who already met Blaine in the first live stream, you already know him.
That's right.
Yeah.
But can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes. I'm Cynthia. I've been Snapmaker for over 4 years, and I do channel sales for distributors and resellers all over the world.
Nice. What is channel sales, by the way? I've always wondered that.
Yeah. So basically, channel sales deals with distributors and resellers. That's maybe some of you know Kickstarter doesn't cover all the countries in the world. So sometimes you need local distributors to do the service, to provide the goods, provide the U1 for you. So that's my job, basically.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Nice to meet you guys.
Very nice to meet you. So while we're talking, make sure to go in the comments, leave a comment, leave a question, and pay attention, because we're going to have a lot of fun. What is on the agenda today?
Yeah.
What are we going to learn today?
It always starts with agenda.
Cool.
And the first thing is we're gonna have a very fun journey tonight.
Yeah.
Start with project updates, and then we're gonna have a deep look into the factories.
That's right.
And also we have some fun moments.
That's right. We're going to give away a lot of free stuff. So pay attention for the lucky draws. You're going to do a hashtag, some word in the comments, and then we're going to randomly pick some of you people to get some awesome free stuff, including the big one.
Yeah.
Now, we are doing this one to try and be a little more technical. Last time that we did our live stream, people gave us some feedback. They want to hear a little more behind the scenes, a little more the nitty gritty of how our operations work, right? People want to see the factory. They want to know about how their machines are actually being built.
Yes. So that's very important to showcase the details and the comprehensiveness of our factory.
That's right.
Yeah.
We've bought a lot of new equipment, hired a lot of people.
Yeah.
So,
and also expanded our production lines to make sure your U1 is being taken care of very carefully.
That's right. So why don't we do an update? Let's go to, great. So with our latest product, we've put a lot of time and energy and resources developing it and getting it ready. And so each step of the way, we need to have a lot of expertise. And we are really happy to be where we are right now, in a position to expand our production lines and really get ready to meet the massive demand that has come in.
Yeah. So before we get into the factory, I can show you something from myself.
Oh yeah, I'd love to see something.
Look, my earrings and my vest are all printed from U1.
Earrings and vest, both printed on the Snapmaker U1.
Yes.
Do you use the multicolor function on this one?
My earrings is actually yellow. It's a single color.
Single color?
But for my vest, I can show you over here.
That's right.
Yeah, it's 4 colors over there.
That's
so
right.
There's something, our engineer made it for me. I'm very happy to see that 3D printing is actually being made in applications in different like a garment, like a fashion. So that's very exciting to see.
That's right. We have some really exciting, really smart people that work here. Really exciting and ready to go. So let's talk about Kickstarter. Let's get a Kickstarter update going real fast.
So what's going on until now?
That's right. How long do we have left to go?
We still have 3 days.
Still have 3 days, really? Wow, it feels like forever ago that we started this campaign.
Yeah, it's been a long time, but still time flies fast.
It's so sad that we're almost near the end, which means it's your last chance to get the Snapmaker U1 at this price.
Yeah, that is really a good price because previously we asked a price range randomly on social media and people guess around over 1,000, 1,020, 200 US dollars. Right. Yeah, around that. And then actually below 1,000 US dollars is really exceeds beyond the expectations of most of the users. So now with Kickstarter, $7.99 is really the good time to get it and then get it on time.
It's a great time to get in. And right now is going to be your best shipping day that you still have available.
Yes.
If you wait until later, you're going to get a machine that's produced a little bit later. And nobody likes to wait. Yeah. I want to print right now. I wish I was printing right now.
Yeah.
I guess I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 machines around us printing right now.
Yeah.
So
So 72 hours to go for exact time.
That's
and
right.
then if you haven't bought, or feel free to invite your friends to test U1 and to know the beauty of this tool changing system.
That's right. I think we have almost 19,000 backers.
Yes.
And yeah, that's right.
That's a great number.
That's right. My lucky number is 19,000.
Oh, that's a really lucky number.
That's right. So maybe you've heard on the news or something that we were recently hit by a massive typhoon.
In Shenzhen.
That's right.
Yeah, just yesterday, I guess. And then it's going to be, we are kind of interrupted a little bit.
That's right.
Now we are still here. We're good.
That's right. Now, I'm sure that when you hear Snapmaker was hit by a gigantic super typhoon, your first question is not how's my machine. Your first question is how are the Snapmaker employees? And I will let you know, we shut down the factory for worker safety for a day. So everyone went home, was safe with their families. And then the next day we opened back up and we're right back at it. So also your machine is fine. We're fine, your machine is fine, we're all fine, and we're all on schedule.
Yeah. So it's just this live stream we posted for one day, but everything is good with your machine. Yeah.
So thank you for all. A lot of people have sent me, hey, are you guys okay? So I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I want to tell you, we're okay and you're okay. So let's talk about shipping. Shipping.
Shipping is so important. There's so many people are being asking at the back end of the Kickstarter comments. So we can make, again, very clear to you guys today.
That's right. This is such an overwhelmingly common question that we want to be very clear about what exactly is happening. So if I bought a machine, an early bird October batch, what happens to my machine? When does it leave Shenzhen? When does it get to my local factory? How does it get there? And when does it get to me so I can start printing?
Okay. So for the early batches, that's pledged on October, which means you are really the first ones to get it. Thank you very much for your support. And then you're going to probably get it around Christmas time. So which means on Kickstarter platform, what we say is end of October, that's we're going to dispatch from our Shenzhen warehouse. That's the dispatch time. So it's going to take a while on the seas to, take a time to reach the local warehouse around early December, and takes another couple of days to deliver from local carriers to your door. So that's for the October pledge.
Fantastic. So Merry Christmas. And what if I pledged the November backer group? Okay.
So the November is just sounds like 1 month later. So you're going to get U1 as, let's say, a New Year gift.
Fantastic.
So in 2026, January, it's going to arrive in our local warehouse, and then takes another 2 weeks, approximately 2 weeks to reach to your door.
Sure. And then the December batch, if I am in the December backer group, which means it leaves in December, when does it come?
Okay, so it's another month later, which means also if you back us now, you're in December batch.
Yep.
So for the December batch, you're going to receive it next year, March.
Great. And what about my add-ons? I bought some regular hot ends or some other regular add-ons.
So yeah, so 3D printer is never just a printer. It's
That's
always with add-ons with, for example, top cover and also the hot ends. So everything will be shipped together with your machine in the same batch, except for the top cover, because top cover is a separate add-on that we develop, and then it's going to be shipped all together next year, March.
All right. All this talk of dates and numbers has me feeling like I want to do something else. What's your favorite F word?
My favorite F word is Friday.
Friday.
Yes.
My favorite F word is filament.
Okay.
So happy, fun Filament Friday.
Okay, that's a good F word series.
Yeah, let's do a fun Filament Friday lucky draw. Let's do the lucky draw.
So for the ones who are on time, you're the lucky ones, and then we're
Hashtag I love filament right in the comments, and then we're gonna lucky draw 10 winners. 10 winners.
Win 10
10
very
different,
favorable,
different spools of filament. That's right. Awesome. And if you win, make sure to take a picture and send your account details to info@snapmaker.com. We'll put that up here in a second. But what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange and green, let's say.
Orange and green. Those are two good colors, right?
Yes.
Why
Very vivid.
orange? Any reason for orange?
Orange is a vivid color, and I myself like Garfield. So that's the Garfield, the cat, the color.
There you go. I think we have some orange filament right there. You want to
Over
check that
here?
out?
Yeah.
Is that you want to pull it out and show the audience?
Actually, yes, I can do that. So this is just a PLA.
Let's see. Is it Snapspeed or is it matte PLA? Both of these are Snapmaker branded PLAs. That one's a yellow one. That looks pretty good, actually.
That's a TPU, actually.
Oh, that's TPU. Oh,
yes.
fantastic.
And if I look at here, this one.
Green. Oh, we have green and orange, both your favorites.
Yeah, this is a PLA. This is a PLA.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So I can use all these printers. Yeah, it's not really a Garfield printer, but a Garfield color, but it's a beautiful colors. And then I guess you all know that in your current pledge, we include 4 spools of filaments in the machine. So you will get it.
That's right. 4 spools of, I think it's Snapspeed PLA that comes with each printer. That adds up to 2 kilograms.
Yes.
That's a lot. And for your Americans, that's like 4 pounds.
Yeah.
About 4 pounds of filament.
And each of them has the RFID.
That's right. They'll all have
things.
RFID. Pop them on your machine, and it'll know what color and type of filament it is. It's a pretty smart machine.
Yeah. So it will make your printing process even more smooth.
Makes it everything smooth. So hashtag I love filament. Pop it in the comment. And why don't you tell us your favorite color? And yeah, we'd love to hear it. We'd love to hear what your favorite color is.
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, my favorite color, I think my favorite color is blue. Blue like the sky. I like a nice sky blue. Some people like the ocean blue. Too dark, scary, don't like it. Sky sounds good to me. Oh, and with that, let's start the lucky draw.
Okay, cool. So let's see
Hashtag I love
who
filament.
are the lucky ones.
Let's go.
For
Draw,
the
draw,
first
draw,
round.
draw, 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 draw. Who's going to be the first lucky winner? I think if you're watching this live stream, you're already a winner. So
Oh,
all these,
yeah, that's true.
all
That's
these
a
people,
fair
are,
thought.
all these people are winners.
Yeah, you're gonna get the U1 the earliest in the world.
That's
So
right.
You're the
gonna,
lucky ones.
You're gonna be one of the first people to get a U1 anyway. But let's hey, Brandon Ray,
Brandon
congratulations.
Ray, congratulations.
Add a profile picture, please. So next time we can have a little more chit chat about whatever picture it is you choose. Thank you, Brandon. Good stuff.
Thank you,
Enjoy your
Brandon.
filament. Enjoy your
Good
filament.
luck.
Make sure to tell us what color and make sure to email info@snapmaker.com.
Yes. And we have.
Oh, we got another one coming. Oh,
Another
there we go.
one?
War paint. I like that one. War paint
Is that,
and unicorns.
I think it's running.
Yeah, it looks like
so that's
Fem Phui. Hey,
Fem Phui,
congratulations.
thank
Is that a
you,
Vietnamese name? That looks,
sounds like a Southeast Asia.
I believe it's Vietnamese. Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Okay.
All right,
Congratulations.
next one. Who's coming next? Who's coming next? Who's going to win? Who's number 3? Number 3, number 3.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ta-ta,
Luca Moretti.
Moretti.
Luca. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Luca.
Congratulations, Luca. You
You
are
get
the
a
winner.
Beautiful
You are,
screw of filaments.
you are a winner. Who's number 4? I think
And
we
make
got,
sure you get a U1 to use it.
that's right. That's right.
Okay, number 4. Let's go
Number
for it.
4. Who's going to be number 4? Who's
It's
going to be
lovely
number
to
4?
see all the names
Who's gonna
from
be
all
number
over the
4?
world, you know?
I do like that. We get a nice cross section of international.
Perry
Albert.
Albert.
Perry, congratulations,
Congratulations, Perry.
Enjoy your filament. What color are you going to use? Tell
Tell
us in the comments.
tell in the comments. Share your excitement with the group.
That's right. What are you going to
Yeah.
print with it? You know, we got to know these things. All right, Perry. Who's next? Let's go to
Okay,
winner.
number 5.
Number 5. Yeah, 1,
Yeah.
2. Which comes after 4? 5. Okay.
Number
there we go.
5.
Let's see who's going to win. Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got it? Is it Awesomeness Joe or is it going to be someone after? Hey, Somalikir. I can't read that, but I like your snail picture.
Yeah, I can't read your name, but it sounds like a
Samoliker.
Somalikir. Samalika. Congratulations,
I'm going to
Samalika.
guess it's Norwegian. Let's go
Yeah.
with that. I like the snail picture.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
go directly number 6.
Who's going to be number 6? Who's going to pop up and win this free filament? DD123.
DD123.
Congratulations, DD, or Mr. 123, Miss 123. DD123, congratulations. What are you going to print? type in the comments, what are you going to actually print with your filament that you get for free? Number 7.
Number 7,
Time
let's go.
to pick lucky number 7.
Okay.
That's right. All right.
So I see new names now.
Oh, I see some new people. I think more people are joining in. They want the free filament.
Exciting.
They heard about it. The Punrick.
The
Congratulations, Punrick. Congratulations, Mr. Punrick.
Congratulations.
Miss Punrick. Congratulations, Punrick.
It's your lucky day today.
Today you're lucky.
And number 8. Let's go.
8.
Oh.
Who do we have for number 8? I want to see. What's in the name?
What's in the name?
That's a good name,
That's a good name.
I like that
remember
name.
your name.
That's a good name.
Okay.
What's in the name?
Very nice. And
I
come on,
wanna
guys.
know-
We have 2 more. 1 more.
Number 9 is next, so 2 more.
Okay, so
number
we
9.
have 2 more.
Number 9. Number
Let's
9.
go.
Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9.
9.
Who is that? John. Congratulations, John.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, John.
Okay.
Fantastic. And good on you for wearing a personal life preserver. It's good enjoying water sports and being safe at the same time. I actually like that quite a bit. Thank you for being safe, and use your filament to make something cool. Make it, something outdoorsy, something fun. Yeah,
Yes,
that's right.
something fun. And
Was
then we
that-
have the last one.
Oh,
for
one
this
more.
round.
Number 10.
Yeah,
I'll tell you.
number 10.
Number 10 is actually my favorite number.
Oh, you just said 9?
I didn't-
19. Oh, you said 19.
Maybe I said that, but I say a lot of things.
Okay, cool.
Michael's,
So let's say number 10 is Muffy
Cookie.
Cookie.
Muffy Cookie. Congratulations,
Congratulations,
Muffy.
Muffy Cookie.
Enjoy it. What's your favorite color? What are you going to print? Send it to our email, info@snapmaker.com, with your account details to claim your prize.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay,
That's
so
right.
thank you guys for the nice warm-up. And then the first round of Lucky Draw,
right.
let's,
That's right.
If you don't have anything, it's fine. We have another round, and you will have more exciting,
There's more lucky draws to come.
more Lucky Draws to go.
Don't worry about it.
Yes.
I've been
Okay.
hearing some funny things around the office lately.
Yeah, so there's a rumors, lucky draws, and now we have some funny rumors. Is there evil plane sneaking around at the factory? Have you heard of it?
There are a lot of rumors. I must say there are a lot of rumors floating around the world, floating around the office. Some of them are true, and some of them are not so true. You can't believe everything you hear. But the rumor that there is an evil Blaine at the factory, that rumor is actually true.
Wow.
That is a true rumor. So why don't we go and check out Evil Blaine? I think he's at the factory. Let's go to the factory and see what is Evil Blaine up to.
Okay, let's check evil Blaine at the factory.
He's usually up to no good, but maybe he's up to something good this time.
It's being more mysterious now.
That's right. He does care about quality, and he cares about how things get made. Evil Blaine, despite being evil, is pretty smart. He went to Cornell, actually, for engineering.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's
if
right.
we're talking about this is a evil Blaine, I assume there's a good Blaine.
You would think that, but no. There's
it's
evil.
just the evil Blaine.
There's evil and neutral Blaine.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
cool.
right. Evil Blaine actually. Oh, hey, I think the video is finally queued up. Why don't we go to Evil Blaine and see what he's up to, what mysterious, mischievous things he's going on with, or
Let's
if he's
check.
just having fun and learning.
Okay,
Let's go to the
check
factory.
together.
Welcome to the Snapmaker factory, where your Snapmaker U1 is being built, assembled, tested, and prepped for you. Each unit goes through a series of assembly and quality assurance steps to ensure stability, precision, and excellence from every Snapmaker U1. Let's take a look. Each batch of critical parts is tested to meet exacting specifications. These include things like fit, surface finish, and dimensions. We log results digitally for full traceability. Only components that pass IQC, incoming quality control, are allowed to move forward. Welcome to the main hall. Over here, we are putting together the heated beds, like this one. If we go down the line, you can see everyone putting in the heating coils and all the other components necessary to make the heated bed work. If we turn and go on this. Anything else. I think they're looking really good.
Oh, okay, yeah. And if you ever don't, if you're like looking at me for a reason,
The toolhead is arguably the most important part of this printer.
But if you don't know
Each
where to
one
look,
has 4. So
straight at
to make sure
this
that they are
camera
in
one.
perfect precision, they have to be built very carefully. They go from small parts, like these, down this conveyor belt assembly line. Automatically, from station to station, they gain piece by piece until they come out with the final toolhead as such. These are the tool head docking brackets, and we are making a lot of them. If you'll turn your attention over here, you can see how they're made, piece by piece by piece, from the tiniest components to the full assembly that holds your tool heads safely in place. Here is the core XY assembly being assembled. Lightweight components and precision engineering are a major key to the speed of your Snapmaker U1. Don't underestimate the importance of moving your critical components from one place to another. We take great pride in every step of the construction process of the Snapmaker U1. And now we're here on the assembly line. Parts are tested before the assembly is actually complete. And as you see from before, then the components are put together over there. Each one of those corresponds to a section over here. Here, we are also testing for the power supply, the heated components, and all of the communication nodules on the machine. These checks ensure early detection of possible faults, maximizing efficiency and minimizing problems. Now, let's go back to the studio and continue talking about what we're actually building here. Looks like we are coming back into the studio.
Yes.
Coming back in. Oh, look at that. Hello. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Do you know what the most dangerous and evil thing in the entire world is?
What is that?
Knowledge.
Oh my God.
That's why Evil Blaine is smart, right? Because he's evil. Or maybe he's evil because he's smart. I couldn't tell you. Anyway, I think what we've just learned from our first part of the factory tour is Snapmaker's secret sauce.
Yes.
What would you say is the secret sauce of the U1?
I think in the video we already been very transparent with users, and also the secret sauce we have here is the snap swap system.
Snap swap system.
Yeah, so we're gonna be another layer of transparency with you to show you the snap swap system. So the snap swap system is basically a 4 independent, physically independent tool heads together, and then each one of them can be preloaded with different filaments. So either filaments can be different colors, it can be different materials, and it just, when it swaps, it gets the mechanical heads swap very smooth.
Yeah.
So with this solution, there's a minimum purging, it's nearly no cleaning, no retracting, and no reloading.
Nice.
So let's wait for a magic moment here and then see when the heads switch to its head. Maybe now it's not occurring changing colors, But the idea is that, yeah, when it comes, I will show you. But the idea is that we have the steel pin and steel ball self-centering system. So make sure each time, if you check it now, it's go back to the exact calibrated position.
5.
Yeah,
That's counting.
it's just gone. It's without a blink. It's finished. So that's the beauty of it, because I remember showing this in the TCT and in Shenzhen.
Yes.
And people are trying to take videos of the swapping moment. And then when it take out their phones, it's gone. So it's really a time, it's when you blink, it's finished.
That's right.
Switching the colors. So every time it steps over here, it's go back and then attach to another print head. And then with this system, it's very smooth, and then it's just the minimum purge that you get from this system.
Nice. I think the big challenge was making this system reliable at scale.
Yes.
So that starts with the positioning structure, right? We adapted a method from industrial precision measuring machines, the steel ball and pin system that you had mentioned. That's a special contact design with self-centering features. Right? Every time the head swaps in, it returns to a fixed and repeatable position. Right? This gives us 3 major benefits.
Okay.
What's the first benefit? Pop quiz.
I think because it's gonna do it a lot of times, so something about repeats.
That's right. The high repeatability is the first benefit. So the nozzle position is always accurate, eliminating misalignment and layer stacking errors. What would you guess is the second benefit of the system?
I guess for every user's print quality is the top.
Wow, yeah, that's right. It's better print quality. You're going to get better print quality with this kind of system because the color seams are clean and layer transitions stay sharp and consistent throughout. I think you can even see
we have a perfect sample over here.
A model like this that shows off some of the
precision
this one.
of the printing.
The precision of the printing, that's right.
So if you hold it in my hand, we can have a closer look at it. And then it's like
sure.
Very
Get
delicate.
it at a good angle so the camera can see it right there.
Yes.
There we go.
It's a delicate and then print with very smooth surface.
That's
like
right.
That.
That's right. And then the machine itself, again, has another benefit. What's the third benefit, you think?
I think it's need to be reliable.
That's right.
Yeah, durable, something like that.
Durability. It's almost like you know what I'm going to say.
Oh my God, I'm so smart.
Yeah, so each head is rated for 10 million swaps without failure, right? This system is based on just a pretty straightforward, standard way of building and designing things, and it's extremely reliable. That's the third benefit.
Yes. So I guess that's pretty much the concerns of the users. That's going to be stable, need to be doing good quality, and then last for a long time.
If you like reliable machines that you can buy once and keep for a long time, tell us in the comments. If you like good print quality from your 3D printer, tell us in the comments. And if you like accuracy, tell us in the comments. I guess that's kind of the same thing. But it's important when talking about the machine structure and how it's actually built and how it actually functions.
So Blaine, you mentioned durability. Is that like how many times of tests we've done to make sure it's durable?
1 million.
Wow.
1 million swaps per head. That's right.
Yeah. So 1 million is an impressive number. And then we can also see that for such cases, the machine needs to be very stable to handle such a high performance, especially with its enclosed frame and with a high-speed printing. So we designed the locking mechanism for the print head, which means if you take a closer look, once the head is positioned, it has to be locked in place with absolute security.
That's right.
So the mechanical system that reduces the extra motion is compact, lightweight, and no extra motors. And it's perfectly suited for enclosed frames like this, and also for high-speed printing. So that's very essential to have.
That's right.
Yeah, and also it also integrates the limit slots. So the head simply cannot detach, even with extreme acceleration situation, it won't detach. So it's very stable in this case. And just like the positioning system you mentioned, this test has been done over 1 million times also. So we're very serious with testing and then make sure the function is being tested 1 million times before we ship it to you. So, and then another part of it is we don't have a single mechanical fault during those 1 million times testing.
That's right.
So that's also very impressive.
That's right. So beyond that reliability, we've also focused on smoothness.
Yes.
Do you consider yourself a smooth person?
Today I'm quite a smooth person.
You're the smoothest person I know.
Yes, thank you.
Fantastic. So with the machine, the lock engages and disengages without jams or without hesitation, right? The tool changes feel natural, almost invisible to the user. Right? When you combine this precise positioning system, robust locking, and the seamless motion, right, you get a tool changing system that's super high performance and super user friendly. And we have sent this thing out to all of our beta testers and told them to just beat it up, go crazy, and it's going really, really well, I think.
Yeah, I think
it's going really well.
Exactly, I agree. So with these 4 print heads and instant mechanical swaps and industrial grade accuracy and durability, that's the essence of this snap swap system that we want to showcase to you guys. Yeah, and then there's the beauty of the Snapmaker U1.
Fantastic. Now, I think people might be interested. They've seen enough of us and heard enough of us talking.
Yeah.
They might want to know more about the factory and the production process. So maybe we can go back to Evil Blaine at the factory and watch Evil Blaine's next video and see what he's up to.
Okay.
Because I think he wants to know about the QA process. So let's watch the video. Let's go to the factory. Let's see what's going on at the factory. See what Evil Blaine is up to.
Let's follow Evil Blaine.
Let's follow Evil Blaine
to the factory.
To the factory. Let's go to the factory.
Okay.
Let's go to the factory. Let's play the video now. Let's go. Next up, calibration and burn in, where precision meets reliability. In the first stage, we go through the machine's specific functions to ensure that everything is working. This includes a comprehensive machine capability test, XYZ multi-tool head calibration, first layer adhesion test, and others. Importantly, we also run a 48-hour continuous printing stress test. This stage ensures stable performance and verifies that none of the components are suffering from potential early life failures. Calibrated, verified, and aged. Each unit is now ready to move on for final inspection and packaging. But first, let's get back to the live stream. Right, come back. Yeah, so that's how QA is done on the machines. It's really important that when the components come in, they are tested in batches to make sure that all of the batches are good. And then they're tested again when they're installed on the machines to make sure that each individual part is functioning. But once the machine is complete, then it really needs that durability, that reliability test right off the rack, right off the assembly line. So first, each function of the machine is tested, right? Everything it does, each swapping system, the printing system, just the basics. We test each function of the machine, right? And then we do the first layer adhesion. Do we have some first layers right here?
I have right here.
That's right. You got to test that this is working because.
Did I tell you, like, orange is my favorite color?
That's right.
And this is it's a perfect first print.
That's right.
In orange, very legit, and
beautiful color.
There's a beautiful color, and if you see a closer look at it, it's very smooth. And
yeah, right.
I think we have some lines here that you don't see the very detail about it, but I think it's a very nice first prints that we can have.
That's right. That first layer is the most important. Your whole model relies on a good
Start
first
with
layer
the
adhesion.
first layer.
It starts with the journey of 1,000 steps starts with the first step, and the journey of 1 billion layers starts with the first layer.
Exactly.
So each one of these is tested to make sure that it produces exactly this without any faults or anything weird going on. That's right.
Yeah.
And then in addition to that, there is a burn-in test. And what the burn-in test does is it runs the machine for 48 hours, printing a big complex model, just to check and make sure that it's still operating correctly, and that it can go for 48 hours, and there's no early fault components. This is a common problem in manufacturing.
Yeah.
You're going to find out pretty quickly if a small component has problems, so that's why 48 hours on our first batch that we're shipping out to customers is going to be just perfect in order to catch those early faults and make sure that the machine that you get is functioning to 100% standard, exactly what you expect to get, the reliability that we promise you. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, so that's a very in-depth factory tour.
That's right, that's right. I did want to mention one other part. We're going to miss the third part of the video because of the typhoon.
Oh, that's a pity. Yeah.
It's a real pity. The third part was going to be packaging and the final inspection. So right before they package it, they take one quick look to make sure everything looks right. It's an easy way to catch any weird last-minute faults. And then they package it up nice and tight so that it can go and get shipped reliably. It can get tossed around a little bit on the high seas. You know, maybe pirates attack the boat and it'll survive. No problem. No
but I think
asked.
this part, even we missed, is not a big deal because for old Snapmaker users, packaging is the moment that they see this kind of Apple-like design. So its packaging is not really something you should concern. So we are really good at make it nicely packed and then deliver as is full.
That's right. That's right. Also, at that point, we're going to do all of the local regulations and compliance stickers and testing and things like that. So you need, if you're going to the EU, you need a certain set of stickers and verification.
Something like that.
All that goes in the box. The right plug for your local region goes in the box.
Of course. Yeah.
And then it goes off into the world soon. Right now, we're building up the first big batch, and then we're going to ship them out all in a big batch, all directly first to the warehouse and then to you.
Yes.
That's right. That's right. So all this stuff about hardware is really important, how the machine is designed, and then how it is brought to life and how it is tested to make sure that it actually works. But there's another component that we should talk more about, which is the software and the firmware that powers the physical machine.
Yeah. So I'm not a very knowledgeable user, but I really get to know the 3 techniques.
That's right.
That the Snapmaker U1 really builds its intelligence into its motion system. So what are the key 3 technologies? First is the flow rates compensation. And another one is the multi-head offset calibration. And also we have the pressure advance. So with all these techniques, high speed and multicolor printing can make very easy and also reliable.
Nice.
So that's something I think we can showcase. Example, print case.
Which one do you like? Which model do you think shows? Oh, look at that.
No, but it's not really. But I think that
You just like that one because it's beautiful and functional.
I will find another good example of that.
All right.
But
why don't we? I'll take over. Why don't we talk about the vibration suppression? So
what is that?
That's a great question, right? Well, look at the machine. Look at how it's shaking, right? There's a big fast moving part on this machine. So the whole thing is going to vibrate slightly as it prints, right? Now, to deal with that problem, because that's going to shift your layers and give you some issues if you don't do anything about it, right? The main head has a built-in accelerometer, and it runs an automated frequency scan before printing. So the resonance points are fed into the input shaper, and that will adjust the motion paths in real time. Which means that this thing can move at 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, shake wildly, and you're not going to get ringing, you're not going to get corner blur, You're not going to get trailing oscillations. They're all going to be filtered out. And that way, your edges stay sharp and your surfaces stay clean.
That's very beautiful. Sounds like that.
It is.
And also, another beauty of it is fully automated.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
So the system rescans actually when needed. So users like you don't need to do anything with the so-called input shaper frequencies or firmware settings. So it's just a plug and play simple experience. So let's take a look of the
Which
examples.
model do you like to show off for this one?
Let's say this.
Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Yeah.
I remember this from our Kickstarter video, and then this robot fee, something like that.
That's right.
So this is a perfect example. We take the most advantage of the 4 print head. So it has 3 colors: orange, black, and gray. And also we have the PVA.
That's right.
Supporting materials. So which means at the same time you're printing a colorful, printable, and also it's easier to, put it in the water, and it's gonna dissolve, and it's gonna remove it easily.
That's right.
Yeah, and later you got this very clean finish.
Surface finish is really nice, right?
Yeah.
Each layer goes up, and when the heads switch, it looks like it's printing as good as something with one head, thanks to all those software features that are embedded into the system.
Yes.
That's right. That's right.
So I think that's the thing you can do very efficient with the multi-tool, the tool changing system. Yeah, like Snapmaker U1.
Nice.
Okay.
So then there is flow compensation and pressure advance. Right, each head uses an eddy current sensor to test the material flow, to calculate the PA value, and it feeds that back into the firmware. So during printing, the system will dynamically adjust extrusion and cornering pressure, and that's really important for certain materials like TPU and PETG. I think we might have a couple of models
PETG?
that can show off TPU.
Oh, TPU.
Let's go for TPU, yeah. What's your favorite
yeah.
TPU model?
So I have this TPU head over here.
That's beautiful. Let's use that to get the most
and
appropriate TPU model.
I have more than that. So
Look.
I'm fully equipped today.
Wow, she's really accessorized with TPU today. Look,
Okay.
hat,
So
vest, bag.
I have for now a TPU vest, a PLA earrings,
That's right.
a TPU hat, and also a multi-material bag with me.
What's that say on there?
This is U1.
It's U1.
Can you see? This
I
is
can
U1.
see it. It's beautiful.
And then this chain is made from PLA,
Nice.
out of PLA.
That's not gold?
Nah,
Looks
sadly,
nice.
no. But this one, if you see here, is very soft. It's TPU.
Nice.
Yeah. So if you punch on
Can
it,
I punch it?
yeah.
Wait, these feel different. This one feels a little heavier. This one feels a little smoother and lighter, actually.
Which means it could be used different types of TPU. For example, TPU either 95 or 90.
Oh,
so
wow.
yeah. So just make sure you put the right you put in the it's
Build your model smart.
build a model smart.
And use a Snapmaker, because very few other printers can run more than one TPU,
Yes.
especially more than one toughness TPU.
Yeah. So that's the beauty of making the multi-color materials in one thing.
Awesome.
Yeah. And
Is it my turn?
yeah.
Cool. Let me ask you something. Do you like surprises?
Sometimes yes, but not the bad ones.
Okay, all right. So on your birthday, you might like a surprise.
Yes.
But when you're 3D printing, you probably want to know exactly what's about to happen or what exactly is happening. So our printer integrates a couple of different anomaly detection features. So we have filament runout sensors in case you run out of filament, right? It knows what's happening. The encoder wheels check for extrusion skips, and Hall sensors check when the tool is docking. And coming in late 2025, I think we're planning this for December 2025, we will have an AI-powered detection system to spot failures and surprises.
Okay.
Like spaghettification or foreign objects. And all of that is just done with the camera, with the deep learning AI system.
Okay, that's
right.
very impressive.
It's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. And I think I need to mention another thing.
Sure.
Yeah, because we're mentioning the multi-material work.
Yeah.
Yeah, the multi-material. Yeah, okay. So the AI detection function is very welcome in the future.
It's going to be an awesome add-on, and we're going to keep doing lots of different updates to the firmware and to the software over time. So the machine is only going to get better and better is our plan. That's right. That's right.
Okay. So is that we are talking a lot?
So we can talk about this all we want. We're here at Snapmaker HQ, right? And we've got our friends at the factory. But maybe we want to talk to someone who is a regular user like you, who's helping us beta test this thing. Why don't we call a beta tester? Let's see if we can find anyone in the world, anyone on the line, and call a beta tester.
Who is alive? Who is awake?
I'm thinking of a country code. What's the country code we should call?
Let's say 46.
46?
49.
49. Okay.
49.
All right. I got country code 49. I got country code 49. Let me see. I'm seeing. Okay. What? I think that's Germany, right?
Yeah, that's Germany.
All right.
That's true.
I'm getting hungry. I could go for some beer and brats. You know.
Okay.
All right. I can feel it. We're closing it. I think we should call a beta tester from Germany.
Yes.
That's
you're right.
All right. I think we should call a beta tester from Germany, and their favorite color is probably green.
Green.
Maybe some of their favorite color is green. Yeah, I think their favorite color might be green.
And more
Germany.
hints?
Sorry?
And more hints?
And more hints. Can I give some more hints?
Yeah.
They're one of...
Is our users?
If you're in the Snapmaker community, you probably know this person. You almost certainly know his name.
Yeah.
That's right.
Very active.
Very, very active. That's right. That's right. I think we might almost have him on the line. That's right. Let's see. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Oh, all right. We're pulling him up right now. We've got him on standby. We're going to pull him right up on the line. We're going to talk to a beta tester. And we're going to ask him a couple of questions.
Yes.
That's right. We're going to talk to a beta tester.
While we are connecting, I think people might ask or wonder, how can I be a beta tester?
That's right. Hey, Rudiger.
Hello.
Rudiger's there.
Yeah.
How you doing today?
Feeling fine.
Fantastic. So Cynthia was just asking me, how did you become a beta tester for the U1?
Oh, I'm a long-time long-time user of Snapmaker products, starting with the original and the 2.0, and also I'm using the J1.
Wow.
And I'm moderator in the Facebook groups, or official Facebook groups of Snapmaker. And I've already been with Snapmaker to the Formnext.
That's right. So if you've been to Formnext, you may have actually met Rudiger. That's right. How's your experience beta testing the U1? It came to you. It's still a beta unit. So how's it treating you?
Oh, some tweaking at the beginning, understanding the machine, I'm understanding the techniques. But now it's running flawless. Even it's a beta machine. Okay, we know software needs some improvement, but I have many prints, like the dragon you have in your hand before. I also printed flawless without any. But as you mentioned, my color is green, as you see around me. I put the dragon also to a green color scheme.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
It's a very nice little dragon over there.
Cute little guy. That's right.
Yeah.
I think this. Yeah.
Was the kingfisher what everybody liked. No?
Absolutely love it. I think even this week we sent out a couple of updates. Have you updated your firmware and software this week?
Yes, I also just now it's finished the print with the new Snapmaker Ultra and the new firmware.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic.
Are we going to still some questions?
Yeah, so why don't we get, we wanted to bring you on so you could ask us a couple of questions. I'm just going to pull up my magic answer notebook here. That's right. Nice. So yes, Rudiger, you might have some questions for us. Fire away.
Yeah, the community asks many things, and we beta testers also like to know a few things. And the first is, which languages will be supported in the UI of the U1?
Yeah, that's right. Because in the beta one, the language selection is pretty limited. But when we actually release, yeah, that's right. But when the final one is released, we're going to have 10 languages supported. That's right. Let's try and, I'm not going to look at my magic answer book. Let's guess what they are. All right.
Okay, English, German,
French,
Italian, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, Turkish, Russian, and...
Did you say Spanish?
I did. We got one more.
Oh man, is it an Asian? I'm gonna cheat because I can't get it. English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Russian, Korean, Japanese, Turkish, and Chinese. Oh, we forgot Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese is not a.
That's right.
It doesn't count. Okay.
10 languages. We're gonna try and catch you wherever you are, whoever you are.
Yes.
Perfect. And the next question is, did you test after how many tool changes signs of wear appear on the pogo pins, on the alignment balls, and on the connection mechanisms?
Yeah, I think that's a great question because the whole system is going to depend on its weakest point, right? Which one of those is going to fail first, right? And so I think what they've ended up finding is that the key answer is that the whole system, one of those might fail after more than 1 million tool changes. No particular one has popped out with any particular urgency, but we do recommend regular maintenance to make sure that all of those pieces are still functioning. That's right. Okay. So you might see some slight wear and tear on the steel balls and the pogo pins. I think those are the ones that pop out first. Yeah, but regular maintenance, and you're going to be good for 1 million tool changes.
Yeah, perfect. Because Snapmaker Orca is a fork of Orca Slicer, everybody asks, will you provide all programming you do for Snapmaker Orca to implement in the original Orca Slicer?
Yes, short answer. We brought Soft Fever into the beta tests. If you go to the Kickstarter page, you can see his quote. He really liked the multi-material ability to print with our machine. So everything we do is pushed back into the main fork of Orca Slicer. I think if you were out in the wild, even before Snapmaker Orca could be publicly accessed to test the U1, you could download a regular Orca Slicer. It hit there slightly before it hit Snapmaker Orca because we were keeping it in the beta. But we had pushed the changes already to regular Orca Slicer. So the answer is yes, 100%, no question. Yeah, absolutely.
And for that, I want to say thank you to Snapmaker that you provide the open source community.
Awesome, absolutely. Our engineers are crazy about open source.
Yeah, we do. And my last question is, how will be the roadmap for future updates and upgrades in hardware and software for the U1?
Yeah, the core philosophy of the U1's development is that we want to get this one right.
Yes.
We want to really nail what are the core features that serve 90% of the market.
Yes.
So that means this fall really getting the most common filament profiles dialed in really, really tight. That's PLA, TPU, PETG, and the other super common filaments. That's number one. The other thing is enhancing Snapmaker Orca, like you had affirmed. We just updated it. We're going to keep updating it and making the user experience better. And of course, fixing the major bugs, the outlining, fixing the outlining bugs. Then this winter, we're going to launch the AI camera. And early next year, we're going to start on the more advanced filament profiles. We're going to launch new nozzles, which you may have heard of already, and we're going to launch the top cover.
Okay.
Rudiger, we're over time a little bit. We're going to say goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you in Germany.
Next in November.
We're coming to your house, man.
Meet you.
Thank you for joining, Rudiger, and see you
Bye.
next time.
We're coming to your house for breakfast. It better be ready. We'll pay you, don't worry.
Okay.
Thanks. Time for the lucky draw. Let's go to lucky draw number 2.
Yes.
Lucky draw number 2. Lucky draw number 2.
So it's time for another round of lucky draw.
That's right. In the comment, hashtag I love PEI plate. I love PEI plate. Let's sit down. So right now in the comment section, please hit hashtag I love PEI plate. We're going to pick 5 winners to get a free PEI plate. Do you like free stuff?
Of course, every time.
I want a free PEI plate. That's right.
I think PEI plates have been mentioned in the KS comments for many users, and then this time we heard you, and then we make it a little surprise for you. So just try your luck. Put your name down in the comments.
That's right. That's right. Do you know? All right, the PEI. I'm blanking. If you know what PEI stands for, type it in the comments because I want to know. I know PEI is Prince Edward Island.
Oh,
you know?
That's another PEI.
That's a totally different PEI.
Is that in Canada?
It is. I don't think this is the Prince Edward Island plate, but that would be a good holographic plate to build, actually.
Okay.
That'd be a great holographic plate. Yeah.
Yes.
Hashtag I love PEI plate. And if you win, email info@snapmaker.com with a screenshot and your user details. Portuguese. Oh, that's a good question. That's a really good question. I hope so. I don't think we have that immediately planned, but we'll hopefully get around to Portuguese. That's
Depends. If we have like 10,000, 20,000, 1 million Portuguese users, why not?
If we have enough Portuguese and Brazilian users.
Yes.
If we get a bajillion Brazilians. Okay, we're ready for the lucky draw. Let's hit it.
Okay.
All right.
So the hashtag is, make sure you write it right. I love PEI plates.
That's kind of confusing to write.
Let's try your luck tonight.
Number 1, baby. I hope someone from Prince Edward Island wins. That would be very appropriate.
But you won't know for now. We can just say from the name.
That's right. I don't. Whoever it is, I'm happy for.
The
No
first one,
way!
no way!
That's awesome.
Oh my god!
No way!
No
You
way!
won!
You
No
won!
way. That's great. How many contests do you enter on YouTube? 'Cause
Congratulations!
That's genius.
Okay,
Congratulations!
that's a good
No way!
name.
No
And
way!
we're
You
going
won!
for
All right, who's
the
up
second
next?
one.
Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we have?
Ooh, second one coming.
La 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 la
La la la la la la la.
Very funny young lady.
Oh, I
Very
thought
funny
this
young
round
man.
people
Very
is
fun.
getting more
More
funnier.
I think we've got a good round this time. This is the funny round. You got a free PEI plate. Let's go number 3.
Number 3. Let's go for it.
Who's up next?
Drummer Kevin.
Kevin, congratulations.
Jägers.
Enjoy your free plate. If you know what PEI stands for, email info@snapmaker.com and tell me. All right, who's up next?
So the 4th one coming. I want a girl. I want a girl. I want a girl.
You want to Ashley, congratulations,
congratulations.
Congratulations,
Printer.
Ashley. Let's get the gender balance a little nicer.
Printing.
Pretty
Go
printing.
for
There we
it.
go. Is this number 5? Number 5?
Number 5.
Number 5? Is this the
last
PEI
round,
plate?
Yeah, the last one
more
of this round.
PEI plate. All right. Funky 3D.
Funky 3D. Wow,
That's right.
That's another.
Is that like George Clinton Parliament
3D.
Funky 3D, or perhaps more like the Isley Brothers Funky 3D?
Okay.
All right, we got another one.
Yes, not finished.
5 more winners right now. Hashtag I love hot end.
Nope.
I love hot end. One hot end.
Yeah, I love hot hand.
I love hot end.
It's just easier to type. But
it's-
I know you
it's one
more
less letter.
love more than one hot end.
You're gonna need more than one hot end.
Yeah.
That's right. You're gonna need hot ends. You're gonna need 4 of them. That's right.
But it's
That's
a test. If you write it
That's
right, hot ends, then you enter the lucky draw.
That's right.
So
That's
it's
right.
a trick.
That's right.
So 5 winners for this round, and then let's see.
5 winners. I'm going to mention this later. These are going to be 0.4 millimeter nozzles, I think. That's right. I love hot end. Hashtag I love hot end, down right there in the comments. Do you love hot ends?
Hot ends.
Do you love hot end?
I
Do you
think
love
I'm
one hot
blocking the
end?
hot ends
You don't love one hot end.
over
You like
here.
one hot end. You love 4 hot ends, I
Yes.
think is the way that it's going to go, right?
Okay.
We're going to have 5 winners.
Mhm.
Each one wins 4 hot ends. And I can't remember if it's just the 0.4s or if we give them an option.
It's gonna be a surprise for them.
It's going to be a surprise for me at least.
Oh, for you at least.
That's
Awesome.
right. I'm blanking a little bit on there.
Mhm.
All right. Keep typing. Keep trying to win. You're still watching. Hashtag I love hot end. You could
Yeah.
win a free hot end. You could win free stuff.
If you just joined this
Free
live,
stuff.
yeah, if you just joined this live stream, just saying that you're in the lucky draw number 2,
Lucky
round
draw.
2.
Lucky draw.
Yeah,
Round 2, part 2, actually.
it's gonna
Oh,
start.
there it goes. All right.
Now.
I love hot end. Who loves hot end the most? Is what I want to know.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
So
Let's draw it. Let's
thank
find out who's our
you
winner.
for joining this session.
You're all winners, but there's only going
Let's
to be
see.
5 hot end winners. Who's going to win?
Is the first lucky one?
Mick Deb, 1997. Okay, is that the year you were born, young man?
Yeah.
Wow, we got some youngins in here, right?
Yes.
Wow, okay,
Congratulations.
all right. Congratulations. All
Number
right.
2.
Number two.
Let's go for number 2.
Number two. Who's going to win? Who's going to get it? Who's going to
Mobile Tech World TV.
Awesome,
Okay.
Mobile Tech World TV. I like your dog.
Yeah, it's a cute little dog over
That is
there.
a very cute dog. That
Okay,
is a
let's
very
go
cute
for
dog.
number 3.
Number 3. I'm going to have a swig of water. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Talking too much. All right, who do we got next?
Michael Smith.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Michael.
Congratulations, Michael.
And we are going for number 4.
Number 4. Okay, 4. Number 4.
Number 4.
Who's going to win? Who's got
Let's
this one?
do a quick one.
Hot end.
So,
Hot end. Hot end.
Let's
Hot
just
end.
stop.
Hot end. Let's go.
Right
Let's go.
now.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hot end. Hot end. Hot end. Who's got? Agus Manayan. Congratulations.
Okay.
Congratulations. Agus Manayan. Congratulations.
Manayon.
I hope that you
Very exotic
enjoy
name.
the hot ends.
Mhm.
Hot ends that you
The
like.
last one, the last hot end
Who's the
of
last hot
today.
end? Who's the hottest end?
The
Who's last
hottest?
hot end?
Are you the hottest
Who's cute?
today?
I like that one. Who's the hottest end?
Oh,
Jonathan
Loud.
Loud.
Congratulations.
Good name. Do not be
Okay.
quiet. Do not go softly or quietly into that long night. Be loud and proud of who you are.
Okay,
Jonathan.
so
That's right. So let's talk about more shipping details.
Mhm.
So this is the first part of our Q&A, I think, right?
yes,
All right.
we mentioned it before, but we can go
That's
a
right.
bit more in detail.
This is the first part of the Q&A. We've collected some questions from the audience in advance, and we're going to hit those. So the first question, what is the maximum spool size the holder can accommodate?
Yeah, so that's a question that many people care about.
That's right.
Let me check the answers right now for you.
If you can't find it, I can answer it. I can
Oh,
take that
sure.
one. The spool holder supports spools with an inner diameter of 52 to 60 millimeters, a maximum width of 70 millimeters, and a weight of up to 1 kilogram. That's 2.2 pounds for you Americans out there. Please ensure your filament spool falls within these limits to avoid feeding issues. Next question.
Okay. So the second one is, can I run dynamic flow calibration for a single tool head? So the answer is, the number of tool heads calibrated depends on the print task. So for instance, a single color print will calibrate only one tool head,
That's right.
while a full color print will calibrate all 4.
That's right.
So yeah, this is pretty straightforward.
It's going to read your model, and it's going to calibrate however many it needs to.
Yeah.
Next question. Question 3.
How is my payment collected for my Kickstarter pledge, and what should I do if this is an issue?
When Kickstarter ends, this is standard Kickstarter practice, it will charge your credit card or your payment method and collect the payment pledge, right? Now, if it's successfully processed, it will appear as collected under your pledge management. So follow the steps to verify your credit card. Make sure that you've entered a valid credit card number with the correct expiration date. Make sure the card is not expired. All of the standard steps. Now, don't worry, if a pledge fails to process, Kickstarter will send backers periodic email reminders over the next week and tell you action needed. You got to take care of this, right? Yeah, so if you follow the link coming from Kickstarter, you will be guided through the steps to fix it and sort out any payment issues. Great. Let's just go to the next one. Question 4. Let's move to question number 4.
How can I add or remove add-ons from my Kickstarter order?
Right.
So this is a very straightforward process. You first need to log in and then click the Manage Your Pledge button at the top of your pledge and just change it and select the same bundle that you originally choose.
Yep.
So all this will take you to the add-on page.
Yep.
And then you, at that time, you can use the button to say adjust quantities or add items.
That's
so
right.
after managing your changes, don't forget to complete the payment.
That's right.
And then you should receive a confirmation email showing the updated item and revised pledged amount.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Also, one other way is that we will send you a survey before shipping to confirm your delivery address. At that time, during that survey process, you can add any extra add-ons to your order. So the price of any add-ons purchased through the survey will be the same as any current add-on prices. So you have one last chance. If you've already made an order, you have one last chance to get the lower prices from the Kickstarter. That's right. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go to the next question. Question 5.
Next question, when will add-on be shipped?
That's right.
So I think we kind of covered it before.
That's right.
We have, in general, 3 things. First, most of the add-ons will ship together with your machine.
That's right.
And just for the top cover, we'll ship all together in March.
That's right.
I think we have another new...
Oh, we've got some new stuff. Let's announce the new stuff real quick.
The new stuff.
You talked, we listened.
Yes.
What do we got? What do we got for
We got a new hot ends we just sent out. Yeah.
0.2 millimeter, 0.6 millimeter, and 0.8 millimeter hot ends are coming out.
Yeah.
So we heard you. Those will ship in January.
Yes, those batch are in January batch.
Great. So let's move on. Back U1 with confidence. How do we know we can back U1 with confidence? How do we know? So what you as a backer and why you can trust Snapmaker to give you a product and give you a high quality product at that.
So Snapmaker has been doing Kickstarter, is now the 3rd time.
Yeah.
So we're really familiar with the process. We know the importance to deliver on time.
That's right.
And then to make sure every process is under control. So that's we're being very experienced with.
That's right. This is our 3rd Kickstarter. We did Snapmaker Original, Snapmaker 2.0. Those Kickstarters went fantastically. Clear timelines and transparent updates from production to delivery. That's why we're talking to you right now. We want you to know exactly when you're getting it and how things are going.
Yeah.
That's right.
So this one, with you, we're already over 19,000 backers.
I think so.
Yeah, we are very successful, and then you are witness the history together with us.
That's right.
So we are building this with another round of confidence, and thank you for your support at this time.
That's right.
Okay.
So we ship worldwide with reliable partners, right? We have regional warehouses as well. We have warehouses in the USA, European Union, Canada, the UK, Australia, Japan, and Korea. And if you live somewhere else, we use reliable international carriers, FedEx, DHL, those kinds of names you know, to get the products out to you.
Yeah. So also for those regions that Blaine just mentioned, we cover the tax and tariffs.
Tariffs. Everyone's asking about the tariffs.
That's important. We don't cover everywhere, but for the countries, listed in the
Why don't I list them for you?
Yes.
We do cover American taxes. So USA, EU, Australia, the UK, Canada, Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, and Macau.
Yeah.
If you live in these places, don't worry about taxes. We got you covered.
Yes.
For the rest of the markets, you might have to deal with taxes and duties.
Local fees.
That's right. So terribly sorry. We're working on expanding our logistics network and handling things better as time goes on in the future. But thank you very much for your support. That's right. So again, after the campaign ends, you'll get a pledge manager invite. And there you can confirm items, accessories, and finalize your regional shipping details for any last minute changes. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, and then we have some Snapmaker Care.
That's right. We have some stuff to talk about with the warranty and Snapmaker Care.
Yeah.
So
So normally we have 1 year warranty
That's right.
worldwide, and for regions like EU and Norway, and
I'll tell you
have the
exactly what it
list.
is. It's EU, Switzerland, Norway, and Iceland. I think these are European Economic Area countries.
Yeah, like that.
That have a stricter regulation framework for this kind of trade stuff. Yeah, so those get a 2-year warranty. That's right. But no matter who you are or where you are in the world, we got a special upgrade that you can buy right from Kickstarter.
Yeah. So let's look at now with the new add-ons that we just released.
That's right. So you can buy Snapmaker Care for an extended year, no matter what, right? And right now, if you back on Kickstarter, you get an extra 1-year warranty on all listed parts and 3 months extra unlimited warranty parts and unlimited warranty fixes within the scope of the agreement, and 2 accidental damage incidents coverage. So if you back
that's
on,
a good deal.
yeah, if you back on Kickstarter, you get an advanced warranty. That's right.
Yeah. So it's a good deal to buy not only the printer but also the service. Everything at Kickstarter is a good deal. Yeah.
Please check Kickstarter for exact details and exact wording. That's right.
Okay. So now we have the new add-ons that's released just
Let's go to the new
this
add-ons.
week.
As we just mentioned, we released those new add-ons that we're really excited about. I love 0.2 millimeter. And I also like 6 and 8. New hot end sizes. And what else?
Yeah. So we have a bunch of new add-ons to be added to your cart. And then Blaine just mentioned the Snapmaker Care. With the extension and the extra just for Kickstarter. And also we have the new hot ends, 0.6.2.8.
Yep, that's right. New sizes, the standard 4 sizes that people love and care about. That's right.
And also the steel build plates and the PEI plates. So that's everything you can buy and add to your pledge. And before Kickstarter ends, feel free to change whatever you want.
That's right. I think it's time for the live Q&A, right? Is that up next?
I think the next one, if we check,
No.
is what we just mentioned.
Back U1 with confidence. 1-year care plan benefits. There we go.
Yeah. So this one we can just mention another time. That's the 1-year Snapmaker. Normally, Snapmaker has 1-year warranty with the Snapmaker Care. You extend it, and then you had.
Just read it here.
Yeah.
All right. Forget what we said. Apologies. This is the correct information. Please follow it here. I think we had a couple of script problems. With the $20 million, we should buy a teleprompter.
Okay.
Yeah, check here. 1-year care plan for U1. You can buy it in the Kickstarter, and then you're getting extra benefits for backing us on Kickstarter. That's right. Absolutely.
Yeah. So just now is the good moment to get the best, also the service. Yeah, the Kickstarter
Fantastic.
only.
Can we show that PPT slide again? Can we Oh, okay. I guess, is it time for the Q&A? That's right. All right. Let me see. Good morning. How do we, can you read the question for me?
Okay, so are we going to live Q&A right now? I see a lot of people commenting. Good morning. How do we add extra part without going to the last spot in? It appears that if I want to add something, something wrong with the order. Okay, so I think this is a common question. And if you feel anything is uncertain for now, you always get a survey later, and you always can add the exact things you want in the survey, and then we will ship together. So that's if anything is causing confusion for now, you can always add in the survey later.
That's right. That's right. So manage your pledge, change your pledge in the original bundle. That's right. Okay, next question. Will it appear? I think oh, there we go. It appears on screen. Go for it. Can you read it from here?
Yeah.
Snapmaker, what is the decibel level of noise measured at 1 meter from the printer when it has the side fan active at high speed and
It's not
the door closed?
finished.
I am worried that it is too noisy.
Noise is a problem being asked.
I'll tell you, at normal printing speed, the noise level is within a 1 meter range is 55 decibels. Okay. I have one more question here, which is, can I mix the stainless steel and hardened nozzles? That's still under testing. It'll probably work, but there might be some slight parameter differences. So we'll need more complete testing to get that answer to you. Thank you, Kim Yu. All right, let's go to the lucky draw. We're running out of time. Let's go to the lucky draw.
Yeah,
The
so
big one. Let's go to the big one, the real one, the
lucky
fantastic
draw.
one, the lucky draw, the big lucky
It's been a
draw.
long night for us.
That's right.
And then we are really looking forward to see the big winner of tonight in China. And maybe for you, it's a morning, it's afternoon, it's a day.
Hashtag I want you one. Hashtag I want you one.
It's been a
Hashtag
long
I
day.
want
It's
you
been a long
one.
night.
It's been a very long day.
Let's finish
Very
it
long
with
night.
a big surprise.
Please double check those warranty details. Hashtag I want you one.
Yes.
There'll be one winner, but you're all winners. But there's going to be one winner that's the most winner, if you get my meaning. So write in the comments, hashtag I want you one. You can get a free one. You can get it. You can win it right now, but you'll actually get it, I think, probably with the December batch.
Yeah.
I'll have to check.
So
I want you one. Hashtag I want you one.
everybody wants you one.
Who wants free stuff? Do you like free stuff?
Of course.
Of
every
course.
time.
Of course.
But yeah, there's only one for tonight.
There can be only one. There
Yes.
can be only one. Hashtag I want you one. One winner.
And
We have 3 days to go. So what's up?
yeah, so in case you already get a U1 for yourself, and then you get a lucky U1, what you gonna do?
I'll tell you what. I'm going to give it to my best friend.
Oh, thank you.
That's right. I'm going to give it to my best friend, Sheila.
Oh my God.
That's right.
That's still wonderful. It's about sharing. It's about
That's right.
to share the beauty of U1 to the community. Or if you don't mind, adding an extra U1 at your house, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, people like to have that throughput, right? When you have more machines, you can do more. You can make something colorful. You can make more colorful things. It's really awesome to have more than one machine. If you have more than one 3D printer at home, please tell us in the comments. Do you love 3D printing? How many 3D printers do you have? Are they driving you and your family insane? Are you slowly losing touch with reality and the only thing you can think about is 3D printers? Hashtag I want you one. 3D printers. I think they're pretty cool. I'm touching one right now. It makes me feel happy to touch the 3D printer. Do you want to touch the U1? It has a magical feeling. So you're going to get this soon. You're going to open the box. You're going to look at it. You're going to gaze upon its glory. And you're going to feel the magnificent radiance of the Snapmaker U1.
Wow.
So go in the comments and type hashtag I want U1. And so you can feel as good as I feel right now.
You feel
after 42 days of this campaign. Yeah, I feel fantastic. We've got 3 days left to go. We're going to pull through. Go and recheck what I said about the warranty. I apologize for that. We'll make sure to have that very public and very easy to find the correct details. It's on the Kickstarter page.
So I think while they're still in process, we're suggesting you to join our community and our Discord and our Facebook group. So getting you one just to start. So
that's right. It's just the beginning of your Snapmaker journey.
It's just the beginning of your Snapmaker journey because we treat you as community members. We want to grow together with you, and then we constantly build, let's say, a video contest to invite you, inspire you to build more. Let's say make something wonderful, some wonderful creatures. So if you win the contest in the future, you can join the test pilot program.
Oh, look at that!
So let's
ready.
Warm up, and then I assume you're already in the community already. let's see who is the big winner of tonight. Hashtag I love U1.
Hashtag
In
I
the
love
comments.
U1. I think we're about to go. We're almost ready to start the lucky draw. We got a
Yes.
bunch of people. They want a free machine. One of them is going to get it. Who's it going to be? Who wants it more? Who wants it the most?
Okay.
Please.
I see the crowd
Please.
is getting
I'm
more
so tired.
exciting. Yeah.
I'm really excited. I want to see the winner happen.
Okay.
I'm overjoyed. I'm blowing up with excitement. I'm glowing. I'm ecstatic.
I
Who's
see
going to win?
that. I see that.
I'm on the cusp of something wonderful. I'm
Yeah.
going to make something wonderful.
Mhm.
I'm gonna be very happy when we have our winner, because I'm gonna feel your happiness, and we're all gonna be happy. Because hashtag I love you one.
Okay.
I feel like that wasn't the hashtag. Was it I love you one or was it I want you one? I'm blanking now. What was I just looking
That's
at?
a good question. Is that I love
No.
you one or I want
That's
you
the wrong
one?
code. It's hashtag I want you one. It is I love you one. Okay, great. Make sure you're typing hashtag I love you one to make sure it's correct.
Okay.
Hashtag I love you
But
one.
we love you all. I
Hashtag
think for this round,
I love
either
you
you
one.
want or love is the same thing.
Hashtag I love you one.
Yeah.
Make sure you go in and type the right hashtag, hashtag I love you one. If you're paying attention, we like to reward people who pay attention.
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag I love you one. Write it in the comments. You're still good. Enter, please. We have 624 entries for that already.
But I think in this case, I love you one or I want you one is the same thing. You
know,
love and you want it.
It expresses the same sentiment, and I think
Yes.
that's what's really important.
Okay. Shall we do it now?
I would love to do the lucky draw. Let's see if we're ready to go. Is 663 people enough is my question, you know?
Yeah. So
Who's going to win it? Who's going to get it? If you close your eyes and you use your... we're going.
It's rolling. Okay. So.
Who's going to win?
Nipponmida!
Nipponmida! Congratulations.
Nipponmida.
You won. You won.
You won. You won.
You won.
Congratulations.
You won.
I'm so happy that's,
You won. You
for
won.
you.
It's all for you. You won. You won.
Okay,
Congratulations,
so make sure you
Nipponmida.
put your name and send info@snapmaker.com.
That's right.
To validate your prize.
That's
reward.
right. That's right.
Okay.
We're going to
So-
continue the Ask Me Anything a little bit.
So we are a little bit late of time, but we are still here with you.
All right. After
I
the lucky
see
draw, we're going to
Michael
take
here.
a couple more questions. So, Michael,
If I print with only one color and we're not seeing the rest.
will the other three print heads also heat up?
Ah,
The
that's a
answer
good
is
question.
no. The other three print heads will not heat up if the model only requires one. It's smart, and it'll save you a little bit of electricity.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. That's right. And it'll save, I think, a little wear and tear on your machine. That's right. Can you give more information on the top cover? That's right. Well, the top cover will have HEPA and charcoal filtering. That's right. And it'll be passive heated. We don't quite have the final version. That's why it's coming out a little bit later. We're still working on it a little bit. We will share all the details in upcoming Kickstarter updates. Let's get another question. Next question. Next question. Next question.
How many temperature sensors are in the bed, and what is the
power and uniformity of the heating? This is a good question. Some beta testers have taken IR cameras to actually look at the bed and how it's functioning. It's really cool. There is one temperature sensor in the heated bed, and the power is 1,000 watts. I think that's more than 1 horsepower. Since it's an aluminum plate with very good thermal conductivity, the heating is actually very uniform, and I can verify this from the beta testers with their infrared pictures. Great, we got another one, which has not popped up yet. If Orca supports multi-nozzle configurations, would the U1 be able to use them as well? Kickstarter says it's not supported. Does that come from a limitation of the printer or something else?
I think I can answer that.
Sure.
So you can use either Snapmaker Orca or the original Orca slicer with the U1. So just to clarify, the Kickstarter page doesn't say multi-nozzle isn't supported. It says Snapmaker Orca is built on Orca slicer with optimized profiles for our machine and materials. So right now, the limitation is that you can't use different nozzle sizes in the same print. That's due to the current capabilities of the Snapmaker Orca software. So if Orca Slicer adds this feature in the future, the U1 will be able to support it as well.
All right, next question. Let's go to the next question. When will the U1 be available to order regularly in the online shop, like snapmaker.com or Amazon, or from our wonderful resellers and channel partners?
I think when the Kickstarter ends,
Yeah.
U1 will be available for pre-orders for online shops. So not only you can go to snapmaker.com to do the pre-order, also you can check the local distributors to see whether they already joined the pre-orders together with the official shop.
That's right, that's right. So the next question. How will firmware changes be issued? Over the air or placed on a memory card?
So both options are supported. In this case, if your machine is connected to internet, firmware updates will be pushed directly to the touch screen. And if not online, you can download always the firmware and transfer it to the machine with a USB drive. So that's
right.
kind of straightforward. And the next question comes with, let's check. Any
terms for an extended warranty version?
Oh.
Okay, let me try again. Let me try again so I can get this right.
Okay, so.
Let's see the right one. Snapmaker Care, when purchased on Kickstarter, it includes 1 extra year of extended warranty, plus up to 2 free repairs or replacements, accidental part damage. Now, the Snapmaker Care 1-year plan for U1 is an optional paid extended warranty program, and the following benefits are exclusively available to users who purchased the Care plan during the Snapmaker U1 Kickstarter campaign, which will end on September 30th. This gives you 2 complimentary accidental damage services, which can be used at any time during either the standard warranty or the Snapmaker Care 1-year plan, the extra year, right, with a maximum of 2 incidents in total. We will share full, well, yeah, okay. Check the FAQ to read it and think about it in more depth. But that's a good question. That's right.
Yeah.
All right, those are all the questions we have time for.
That's all? I
That's
think there's
all.
a tons of questions. We cannot answer all of them, but it's time to say
It's time to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Good night. And
So,
back us on
thank you.
Kickstarter. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 3
Yeah.
days to go. I think we are on our we have a 1 hour pass. So less than 3 days.
Less than 3
It's your
days.
last
Less than 3 days.
opportunity to get U1 at a really good price and to make sure you receive it as soon as possible. And then, yeah, thank you for the existing backers that's supported us already. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your trust in Snapmaker U1.
Thank you for your support. I think this is absolutely fantastic. Thank you for following us. And if you won, make sure to email info@snapmaker.com with all the information that you need to add it. And make sure you back U1 today. If you already did, go and buy another one. Adjust your pledge. Get 2, get 3, get 4. How many people are in your family?
Wow. So, I mean, doesn't matter how many people, it means it can enjoy the endless fun of 3D printing. You can unlock all the possibilities. So why not?
Back us today and make sure you get your U1 and make sure to pick up the extra new add-ons like the 0.2, 0.6, 0.8 millimeter nozzles. Make sure you get Snapmaker Care to have full protection of your thing and the benefits that come from buying it on Kickstarter. Buy Snapmaker.
Yeah.
That's what I tell whenever I meet people. I've replaced the word hello in my language with buy a Kickstarter or buy a Snapmaker. Buy a Snapmaker. Yeah, I just replace it completely.
Okay, so
right.
it's we don't want to sound so commercial. I know that if you like one, you're gonna buy it for a second time. You're gonna love it.
That's right.
That's the
It's pretty
confidence
cool.
we have in Snapmaker U1. So let's say a big thank you, and then
Thank you
yeah.
for joining us on this live stream tonight.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being you. Thank you for joining all the things. And make sure you join the Snapmaker community, the video contests, chances to join future Snapmaker prototypes.
Yes.
That's right. And thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
my
you.
partner.
Thank you.
Have a great night, everybody.
Have a good night. All right, the live stream's over. Go home.
Yay.
What are you still doing here?
It's over.
It's over. It's time to go home. Turn it off. Go to work. Go home.
What is the biggest challenge you find with 3D printing?
Well, definitely speed. The faster the machine goes, the more I can build.
The waste problem. Most multicolor printers on the market are wasting huge amounts of filament.
Materials is the biggest thing. So to be able to create more comfortable and stylish designs, I want a tool that can handle more complex materials at once.
Finally, all these problems have been solved. Introducing the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D printer. A 3D printer that's faster to print, lighter on waste, and costs less to run. Our 4-tool head design skips wasteful filament purging, meaning you can do more with less. That is Snapmaker.
Because of the shape of this robot, I knew right away that it will not be easy to post-process and very time-consuming. But now that I have this machine, I can pull it off very easily.
With SnapSwap, 4 tool heads running different filaments are always on standby, with a new color or material ready to go in under 5 seconds. The result? Faster and more efficient multicolor prints.
U1 can also use special support materials that are super useful for complicated parts. And they are very easy to take off. So satisfying. The machine can support different materials, not just PLA and PETG, but also water-soluble supports like PVA, which make post-processing a lot easier.
This is perfectly good filament, and it's just wasted. I'm a marketing manager at Snapmaker, but also a dad. So, of course, we 3D print at home. But look at all this printer
quality.
with the app and the smart features, it really is a plug-and-play device. The whole family loves it.
With my designs, I'm trying to push the boundaries in fashion to innovate. But you can only go as far as your tool allows. Not a lot of 3D printers can handle TPU, let alone multicolor TPU. And the ability to do multi-material has really expanded what I can create. I think this bag is a great example because it goes beyond using 4 colors. Not only am I using them for style, I was also able to directly integrate a different material for the zipper. I would not have been able to do this before. And you'd be surprised how reliable a 3D printer with 4 tool heads actually is.
Our automatic calibration system calibrates XYZ offsets between multiple tool heads, ensuring seamless, repeatable accuracy every time you swap.
As a fashion designer, of course I also love shoes. And 3D printing is a great tool for personalization in general, but for footwear in particular. I'm just dabbling in shoe design myself, but I can see the opportunity. You can 3D print the outsole, the midsole, and the upper with different materials in one go. So I'm so excited to see what shoe designers are going to do with this machine. The Snapmaker U1 opens up this opportunity to explore new garment designs. And I can't wait to see what others will do with these tools in terms of footwear.
My whole family can create memories together. With U1, we can do all of this in a much more sustainable way.
With the Snapmaker U1, makers, cosplayers, and anyone with an idea can bring it to life faster and share it with your friends around the world.
Setup was easy, speed was unbelievable. It can create high quality multicolored models while using less filament and save lots of time.
Multi-filament printer with no waste, no time lost.
And my favorite feature is definitely the print speed that the U1 is capable of.
Now print fully assembled, even in multiple materials.
The Snapmaker U1 makes calibrating tool offsets so easy.
Snapmaker U1 changed the game.
Everyone over at Snapmaker got the phenomenal job.
No matter where you are in the world, we invite you to join us on this colorful journey. Get your Snapmaker U1. Back us today.